Who are you talking to?
Uncle Buzz.
Uncle Buzz? You telling him you got the pretzels? Okay, go ahead.
I bought some pretzels. But I didn't bring them.
Uh-oh, you didn't bring them. What did you bring?
I bring my pony.
Your pony? Oh, is that so you can ride him?
Yep.
Can Uncle Buzz ride him? Or is he too big?
I think he's too big.
Oh, okay. So we won't have Uncle Buzz ride the pony. Go ahead. What else you got to say to him?
And she's too big to ride a pony. And he's upside down.
It's upside down.
Yep.
Uncle Buzz is upside down?
Yep.
What's he doing?
He's working.
He's working. Oh. Uncle Buzz built a big, nice porch for us, didn't he?
Yep.
Yeah, isn't it pretty?
Yep.
Say thank you, Uncle Buzz.
Thank you, Uncle Buzz. Talk to him.
Hey, Buzz. Thank you for the porch. I love you. We'll see you later. Say I love you, Uncle Buzz.
I love you, Uncle Buzz.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.